We are living in a moment that future generations will study, analyze, and talk about for decades. A moment where technology is not just evolving, but rewriting the rules of wealth, opportunity, and success. Right now, as you watch this, a new financial landscape is forming beneath your feet, and the people who recognize it early are positioning themselves for a level of growth that was impossible just a few years ago. This is not a small shift. This is a global transformation. Artificial intelligence has become the most powerful tool ever created, and it is quietly creating new millionaires every single day, not because those people are lucky, not because they are geniuses, but because they chose to understand the opportunity instead of ignoring it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this shift works, why it matters, and how you can use it to change your financial future forever. The new wealth shift. There is a major wealth shift happening right now, and most people are completely unaware of it. AI is not just a technology trend, it is a financial revolution that is quietly reshaping the global economy. Every few decades, a new tool appears that changes who gets rich and who gets left behind. In the 90s, it was the internet. In the 2000s, it was social media. In the 2010s, it was mobile apps. Today, in 2026, it is artificial intelligence. And the people who understand this shift early are the ones who build wealth the fastest. This is not about hype. It's about positioning. And right now, the positioning window is wide open for anyone who chooses to step into it. The rich are moving fast. Wealthy people are not waiting for permission to use AI. They are already using it aggressively. They are automating tasks, scaling businesses, analyzing markets, and making decisions faster than ever before. They understand that AI is not here to replace them. It is here to multiply their capabilities. They are using AI to reduce costs, increase output, and expand their reach. They are hiring fewer people but producing more results. They are building systems that work 24/7 without breaks, salaries, or sick days. They are using AI to identify opportunities before the average person even notices them. This is why the wealth gap is widening, not because the rich are smarter, but because they adopt new tools earlier. The middle class is slow. The middle class is stuck in fear, confusion, and hesitation. They hear about AI but don't take the time to understand it. They worry about losing jobs instead of learning new skills. They scroll through social media instead of studying the tools that could change their lives. They wait for the right time, not realizing the right time is now. They underestimate how fast the world is changing. They think AI is complicated, when in reality, it's becoming easier every day. They don't realize that AI literacy is the new financial literacy. And the longer they wait, the harder it becomes to catch up. This is how wealth gaps are created through hesitation, not lack of opportunity. The poor are unaware. The poorest groups are not even in the conversation. They are focused on survival, not innovation. They don't have access to the tools, the knowledge, or the mindset needed to take advantage of AI. They are stuck in cycles of low-income work that AI will eventually automate. They are not being educated about the opportunities that exist. They are not being shown how AI can help them earn more, save more, and grow more. They are being left behind by a system that moves too fast for them to catch up. This is not their fault. It is the reality of unequal access. But the truth remains, AI will widen the gap unless people take action. And action starts with awareness. AI is a wealth multiplier. AI is not just a tool, it is a multiplier. It multiplies your time, your output, your creativity, and your earning potential. It allows one person to do the work of 10. It allows a small business to compete with a large corporation. It allows a beginner to produce expert level work. It allows someone with no experience to start something new. It allows you to scale without hiring, without spending, without waiting. It gives you leverage, and leverage is the foundation of wealth. The people who understand leverage become wealthy, and the people who ignore leverage stay stuck. Time is the new currency in the old world. Money was the main currency. In the new world, time is the real currency, and AI gives you more of it. Every task you automate gives you hours back. Every process you streamline gives you energy back. Every system you build gives you freedom back. AI is not just about making money. It's about reclaiming your life. It's about reducing stress, reducing workload, and reducing burnout. It's about focusing on what matters instead of drowning in tasks. Time freedom is the highest form of wealth, and AI is the fastest path to achieving it. The cost of entry is zero for the first time in history. You don't need money to start building wealth. You don't need a loan, an office, or a team. You don't need expensive software or equipment. You don't need years of training or education. All you need is a phone, internet, and willingness to learn. AI tools are free or extremely affordable. They give you professional level capabilities instantly. They remove the barriers that used to stop people from starting. This is why new millionaires are appearing everywhere, because the cost of entry has dropped to zero. AI is a business partner. AI is not just a tool, it is a business partner that works 24/7. It doesn't get tired, emotional, or distracted. It doesn't need holidays, breaks, or motivation. It doesn't complain, argue, or negotiate. It simply executes. It helps you plan, right? Design, analyze, calculate, and create. It helps you make decisions faster and smarter. It helps you avoid mistakes and spot opportunities. It helps you scale without stress. This is why people who use AI grow faster than those who don't. The market rewards speed. The modern economy rewards speed more than anything else. The faster you create, the faster you earn. The faster you adapt, the faster you grow. The faster you learn, the faster you win. AI gives you speed that humans alone cannot match. It allows you to produce in minutes what used to take hours. It allows you to launch ideas instantly. It allows you to test, refine, and improve rapidly. Speed is the new competitive advantage, and AI is the engine behind it. AI removes excuses. Most people don't fail because of lack of opportunity. They fail because of excuses. I don't have time. I don't know how I'm not good at this. I don't have money. AI destroys every one of those excuses. It gives you time. It teaches you how it does the work for you. It removes the barriers that used to hold you back. The only thing left is your willingness to start. And once you start, everything begins to change. AI turns ideas into income. AI has completely changed the way ideas become income. In the past, you needed money, staff, equipment, and months of planning just to test a simple idea. Today, you can turn an idea into a product, a service, or a piece of content within hours. AI helps you write, design, plan, calculate, and execute instantly. It removes the friction that used to stop people from starting. It gives you the ability to test multiple ideas at once without spending anything. It allows you to see what works and what doesn't help. This is why people who embrace AI are growing faster, because they can turn ideas into action without delay. And action is the foundation of wealth. AI makes you more valuable. In today's job market, your value is measured by your ability to solve problems quickly and efficiently. AI gives you the power to do exactly that. It helps you complete tasks faster, produce higher quality work, and deliver results that used to require entire teams. Employers want people who can work smarter, not harder. Businesses want people who can adapt to new tools. The market rewards people who can use AI to increase productivity. When you learn AI, you instantly become more valuable, not because AI replaces you, but because AI enhances you. And enhanced workers earn more, grow faster, and rise higher. AI creates new income streams. One of the biggest advantages of AI is that it opens the door to multiple income streams. You can create content, offer services, build digital products, automate tasks for businesses, or even start online brands, all with the help of AI. You don't need to be an expert in anything. AI fills the gaps. You don't need to spend thousands on training AI, teaches you as you go. You don't need to wait for opportunities. AI helps you create them. This is why people are earning money in ways that didn't exist 5 years ago. AI is not just a tool, it is a gateway to new income. AI levels the playing field. For the first time in history, the playing field is level. It doesn't matter where you come from, what your background is, or how much money you have. AI gives everyone the same tools, the same capabilities, and the same opportunities. You don't need a degree to write. Professionally, AI helps you write. You don't need design skills to create graphics. AI designs for you. You don't need a marketing team to promote your work. AI helps you strategize. This is why people from small towns, low-income backgrounds, and non-technical fields are suddenly rising. AI removes the barriers that used to hold people back. AI reduces business risk. Starting a business used to be risky. You had to invest money, time, and resources without knowing if it would work. AI reduces that risk dramatically. You can test ideas before spending money. You can create prototypes instantly. You can analyze markets without hiring consultants. You can automate tasks instead of hiring staff. You can scale without increasing expenses. AI gives you the ability to experiment safely, adjust quickly, and grow steadily. This is why more people are starting businesses now, because AI makes entrepreneurship safer, smarter, and more accessible. AI makes you faster than competitors in business and in life. Speed is everything. The faster you move, the more opportunities you capture. AI gives you speed that your competitors cannot match if they are not using it. You can respond faster, create faster, plan faster, and execute faster. You can produce more content, more ideas, and more solutions in less time. You can stay ahead of trends instead of reacting to them. You can dominate your niche simply by being faster. And in a world where attention moves quickly, speed is not just an advantage, it is survival. AI helps you make better decisions. Wealth is built on good decisions, and AI helps you make them consistently. It analyzes data, identifies patterns, and gives you insights that humans often miss. It helps you understand markets, predict trends, and avoid mistakes. It gives you clarity when emotions or stress cloud your judgment. It helps you evaluate risks and opportunities with precision. It turns guesswork into strategy. When you combine your intuition with AI-SC intelligence, you make decisions that are smarter, faster, and more profitable. And profitable decisions compound into wealth. AI removes skill barriers in the past. If you didn't have a skill, you had to spend years learning it. Today, AI gives you access to skills instantly. You can write like a professional, design like a graphic artist, analyze like a data expert, and plan like a strategist, all with AI support. This means you no longer need to wait to become ready. You don't need to be perfect before you start. You don't need to master everything before taking action. AI gives you the ability to perform at a high level from day one. And when you perform at a high level, opportunities come faster. AI helps you scale without stress scaling. It used to be the hardest part of business. More customers meant more work, more staff, more expenses, and more pressure. AI changes that completely. It allows you to scale without increasing your workload. It automates repetitive tasks, manages systems, and handles operations. It helps you grow without burning out. It gives you the ability to serve more people, create more content, and run more projects without losing control. This is why AI-powered businesses grow faster, because they scale effortlessly. AI gives you leverage. Leverage is the secret behind every wealthy person. It means doing more with less. AI gives you the highest form of leverage ever created. It multiplies your output without multiplying your effort. It increases your productivity without increasing your hours. It expands your capabilities without expanding your team. It allows you to achieve results that used to require money, staff, and experience. When you have leverage, you grow faster than everyone else. And AI is the most powerful leverage tool available today. AI expands your earning capacity. Your earning capacity is no longer limited by your job title, your education, or your background. It is now limited only by your willingness to use AI. In the past, you could only earn based on the hours you worked or the skills you had. Today, AI gives you the ability to earn beyond your personal limits. It helps you create more, produce more, and deliver more value than ever before. It allows you to take on projects you never thought you could handle. It gives you the confidence to step into opportunities that once felt out of reach. When you use AI, you are no longer trading time for money. You are trading ideas, creativity, and strategy. And those are unlimited. AI helps you build wealth faster. Wealth is built through consistency, efficiency, and smart decision making. And AI enhances all three. It helps you stay organized, stay focused, and stay productive. It helps you avoid distractions and eliminate unnecessary tasks. It helps you track your progress, manage your finances, and plan your next steps. It gives you clarity when life becomes overwhelming. It helps you stay disciplined when motivation fades. It keeps you moving forward even when you feel stuck. Wealth is not built by working harder. It is built by working smarter. And AI is the smartest tool you can use. At the end of the day, the truth is simple. AI is not here to replace you. It is here to empower you. It is here to give you leverage, speed, clarity, and opportunity in ways no generation before us ever had. The people who win in this new era will not be the ones with the most money, the most education, or the most connections. They will be the ones with the courage to learn, adapt, and take action. You're standing at the beginning of a new financial era, and the decisions you make today will shape the next decade of your life. You can watch this moment pass you by, or you can step into it with confidence and intention. The tools are here, the opportunity is here, the timing is perfect. The only question left is whether you will use AI to build the life, the income, and the future you truly deserve. Because the world is changing. And this Chimi, the change is in your favor.